Alright guys, I'm on Soi Sampan in Udon Thani Thailand. I'm going to show you guys the old inn hotel, which is right here. It's right across from the Bamboo Grand Hotel, which has a pool. The old inn does not have a pool, so if you want to use a pool, you can use the Bamboo Grand Hotel's pool free of charge, and their gym, which I've been doing. So let's check out this hotel right now, see if they have a room which I can have a look at. It's a convenient location right on Soi Sampan, central location near 7-Eleven, all the bars, massage shops, laundry shops, and all the restaurants. First floor?
Yes.
That's why we don't take elevator. Okay. Good exercise for you. Second floor. That's nice here. With this concrete. Standard room. Okay. It's got a hair dryer. Safety deposit box. There's your closet here, kind of your rack here, clothing. Flat screen TV on the wall. Oh, mattress is nice. Soft pillows. Oh, that's better. I like it. I mean, it's not too big. It's about 22 square meters, 23. Here's a bathroom. It's clean. It's modern. I like the shower. Shower's nice. Really clean. Really nice. You even got all your, there you go. See it? You got a small little balcony here. You can smoke here on the balcony, as you see. It's not much of a view. Kettle, tea and coffee, 2 free waters, glass bottles, that's good. It looks good. Thank you so much. Standard, okay. Coffee and cup? Thank you. How much is that room there? All right. Oh, that's 700, and that's superior room. I thought it was standard, but that's like the standard, anyways. That's the standard room. Okay. You have monthly rates here too? Per month too? You have per month, like 1 month rates?
1 month?
Yeah. How much? Tarai 1 month. Okay. 24,490. Okay, thank you. Pricey. Restaurant here. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, so the monthly rate is just over 24,000 baht, which is too much money. But daily rate is 790 baht for that room. It's a nice room. It's a little bit, you know what? I mean, you are centrally located on Soi Sampan. I mean, you're right where everything is. If you want to be here in the heart of the nightlife, yeah, I think the room should have been maybe around 600 baht. But it's high season right now, so maybe low season, probably 600 baht, 500 baht. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Batei Slime Man. And check out my Patreon channel for raw and filtered videos. And check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And enjoy your life. Cheers.